Question 3 is asking us to solve the equation 5 sine theta plus 30 equals 3 within this range here. So the first thing I like to do is just to make a substitution. X is equal to theta plus 30, and I'm going to modify my interval accordingly. So theta equals x minus 30, and I'm going to substitute that into this to give me x is less than 390 and greater than equal to 30. And I will substitute x into the equation. So a nice clean equation here, 5 sine x is equal to 3. So sine x equals 3/5. This gives me a solution of 36.87 degrees for x. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to sketch the graph of y equals sine x here, label the coordinate points, and then draw a line where y is equal to 3/5. You can see that this solution is going to be my x is equals 36.87. This solution here will be 180 minus 36.87, give me this. I also have another solution over here, and I'm just querying as to whether that's within my range. X is less than 390. Well, I know that's 360 plus 36.87, which will take me beyond the region, so that's not going to be a valid solution for us. So, coming back to my initial substitution, I said theta is equal to x minus 30, so theta is equal to 6.9 for the first solution, and for the second solution theta is 113.1 degrees. So to one decimal place I have two solutions for this original equation. Part B is asking us to solve the equation tan squared theta equals 4 within this given range here. So first of all, I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to square root both sides, and I get a solution for tan theta as plus or minus square root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2. I will then use my calculator to establish the value of theta for when tan theta is equal to 2, and when tan theta is equal to minus 2. And that will give me this and this. If I look at my original interval here, this is outside, so this is no longer a valid solution. So I'm going to use this part here. Now let me introduce to you the graph of y equals tan x. So I've got 0 points here at 0, 180 and 360 degrees. And on here I've sketched the line where y is equal to 2. This is my first solution here, which corresponds to 63.4. So my second solution here, which is going to be 180 plus 63.4. And I have another solution here, but as I can see this is outside the interval, so I'm only really interested in these two solutions here. Okay, and that's going to be for theta there. I have to take into account this solution here, where theta is equal to negative 63.4. So although this solution here is outside the range, if I sketch the graph of y equals minus 2, I do have alternative solutions here which are within my interval. This solution here, which is going to give me 180 minus 63.4, will give me 116.6 degrees, and this solution here going to be 360 minus 63.4, 296.6 degrees. So these are the solutions for theta. Here, 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 and here. those are the 4 solutions that are required.